The Vivo X300 Ultra is finally here, and today we're unboxing one of the most powerful camera smartphones of 2026. From its premium design to its advanced camera setup, this device is built to impress right out of the box. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing new Vivo X300 Ultra unboxing and hands-on review. As we open the box of the Vivo X300 Ultra, the first thing that stands out is the premium packaging, giving a true flagship feel. Inside, taking the phone in hand, the design immediately feels premium, especially with its large, circular camera module and sleek finish. The build quality is solid, and the phone has a comfortable yet premium grip. Now coming to the main highlight, the camera system. The Vivo X300 Ultra is designed for photography lovers, featuring a powerful setup that promises sharp details, strong zoom capability, and improved low-light performance. Overall, the first impression of the Vivo X300 Ultra is extremely positive. From the box experience to the design and camera focus, this smartphone clearly aims to deliver a premium flagship experience right from the start. For more videos of the upcoming smartphones, subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.